Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive and looking at our lovely Golf GTD. This one's just 2 owners from new. We've got great service history, including a documented cam belt change. So rest assured, quite a rare car in our book. These are getting harder and harder to find now, with only like 2 owners, even 3 for that matter. And with decent service history and with decent mileage. So yes, this ticks all the boxes with the colour, the better wheels, etc, etc. So I'll try and show you around it so it gives you a better opinion of you, make your own opinion. Just a quick thing to say, it comes with an RAC National Parts and Labour warranty. So if geographically you don't live that close to us, don't worry. You can go to any VAT registered garage near you and they can liaise with the RAC directly. For sure we'll help you, but like I say, if you don't live that close, then that's what that's there for. There's no admin fee with us, so literally the price you see is the price you pay. Okay, so let's show you. So, parking sensors here, all in the front, as you'd hope. Like I say, got the better wheels that are absolutely, well, immaculate. The privacy glass on the rear is not stick-on, that's genuine. And let's show you inside, because it's equally as nice inside. Look, all these seats, unmarked, absolutely unmarked. All the bolsters, the stitching, etc. Likewise with the dash and all these areas here that can get prone to scratches and so on. No issues at all here. And the carpets are like new, but there is a set of overmats, and they were in it, but for the sake of the picture and the video, just so you can see there's what the carpet condition's like. Likewise with the door card here and here, all these key areas that can get damaged, no problems here either. Like I say, it's lovely. And then in the back, again, I'm sure you can see from the camera, look, we have no problems whatsoever. And then likewise across here and here, again, no issues whatsoever. Door card, as new. Yeah, it's had very, very little use in the back there. If I could fill the showroom with ones like this, I'd be a happy person, but like I say, rare as far as we're concerned. Rear sensors, obviously you get a bit of a spoiler with the GTD, but it's ever so easy to get in, just twist the badge, up she pops. And then what you get a good sized boot, but you can fold this side down. This all goes down as one, or you can leave that up or fold that down, or fold them all down, or you can actually just fold that centre bit there if you need something a little bit longer to go in the boot. And fair play, we have a spare wheel. I know it's a space saver, but that is a rare thing these days. And then coming around to the driver's side, okay, just to show from a different angle. In the back, as you can see, lovely. Like I say, these areas here that normally have some side of wear, we have nothing. And then finally the busiest door of the car. So what we've got, electric windows here, rear and front. Your electric mirrors are all up here, as you can see there with the fold function and so on, and then central locking operated from here. And then the busiest seat of the car, and look, we have no issues at all. All this stitching, etc., exactly how you still want it. Let's show you in here. So the way it works, all your auto lights can operate from here, so fog lights and so on are all from here. And then indicators and main beam are here. And then all your wipers are this side. Multifunction steering wheel, so cruise control here. And then your volume, and then your Bluetooth, and also your computer and everything can operate from here. Fairly straightforward in the centre. Keyless start, so I'll just push that just to wake the system up so you can see it. But climate control, and then heated seats, and there you have it. Obviously you've got nav as well, but it's just, you know, it's just very, very straightforward. And then with your app connect there, which is all the function is there, so someone's paid for this car to be registered with it. So there you go, there you have it. Let me turn it off. But as you can see, all of these areas just lovely. As I've previously said, I've only got the one, so do pick up the phone to make an appointment. Don't just rock up. That way we can avoid any wasted journeys or disappointment. Thanks for looking.